Hello everyone, it's Mike Jimenez, a project manager for the Golden View team. Please come join me here at the wonderful city of Redwood City as you hear the client's thoughts on how the team and I executed the project. Come on down.
So we're taking out a wall, but I have two small children. They're 3 and 5, and we wanted to make this as painless as possible. The wall was unfortunately between the kitchen and the rest of the house, so the construction area was very much in our space that we needed to live. So I had a couple vacations planned over the summer, and they did a lot of the work that was most painful during those vacations, which was very useful. I started on Yelp, and I think I looked at maybe 10 or so outfits, and I talked to that many, and I think 3 of them after speaking, I graduated to like formal quotes, and then I did reference checks. So based on the quotes and the reference checks, ended up going with Golden View.
Thank you for taking your time to listen to the client's testimonial. If you're interested about your renovation and don't know where to start, I look forward to talking to you. So pick up the phone and call us.